Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So this is a follow-up of my battery update. The last battery update was for 24 hours with always on display. This one is a mixture of always on display and not as well. So again, the day started with 8 a.m. at full charge yesterday, and today it's 4:30 p.m. and we are around 6%, which gave us a total of 32.5 hours. So that's one day and 8.5 hours on a single charge, which I think is reasonable if we compare it to Pixel Watch 1, which just about got me through the day. Sometime even before I got home, it would die. So I'll just go through and talk through the day as well. So yesterday was a busy day. All day I was out and about with work. I received notification throughout the day, emails, WhatsApps. Also the watch was on continuous weather update as well. At work, obviously up and down stairs, out and about. So some always on display when at work as well. Okay, so yesterday no exercise, but there was about 45 minutes walk. Also 15 minutes of walk using Google Map. That means there was lots of steps, higher than my usual number of steps. Followed by, when I got home, obviously the watch was off, always on display once I got home. But there was calls coming throughout the day. I didn't take any calls on the watch, but I did answer calls on the phone. In terms of sleep tracking, I went to bed at 43%. When I woke up, it was 34%, so 10% was drained during sleep track. And by the way, just to mention, I do put on the airplane mode as well as the sleep mode when I go to bed. So that helps a little in terms of less drainage with the battery. So in terms of sleep tracking, that was over a 7-hour period. When I woke up at 34%, again, today there was no AOD on because working from home today. Also, just to mention, the watch yesterday was on tilt to awake. I took it off tilt to awake just before I went to bed. So that would normally drain a little bit more extra battery than it would when I would normally put it on the crown to wake. So just to mention that. So I do have a video on my channel with regards to the battery saving tips for Pixel Watch 1. You can use the same tips for this watch as well, but once I do all the battery tests and so forth, I will do another update video for the battery tips for Pixel Watch 2 as well. So do subscribe and keep your notification bell on to watch all my videos. So guys, it's early days still for battery testing, but to conclude, it looks like with a mixture of always on display and always on display off, we can achieve 1.5 days. However, on our always on display test, the battery lasted almost 24 hours. So in conclusion, I think us today reaching 32, almost 33 hours now. That's 1 day and 9 hours. I think that's almost 1.5 days. So if you were worried about the Pixel Watch battery not lasting a full day at work, so at the moment it looks like that you can have a whole day's usage out and about, and then get back home, do a sleep track, and still wake up and have some battery left. And of course that depends on your usage, but in terms of our usage, I would say that's an average usage. We still had around 30% left, 8 a.m. in the morning the following day. So today, because we're at home, we didn't do a top up. We just wanted to see how long the watch will last. And it's almost 5 o'clock and we're at 4%. However, if you were to go out, you can do a quick top up and still go out and still have the whatever top up you've done will last you the full day again. By the way, you may notice I've got myself a new strap. It's really nice. I'll do a quick video on that as well. It's actually made the Pixel Watch really light. But anyway, I'll do another video and leave the link of the strap on the video description if you want to check it out. Do check out my 24-hour battery test video. I'll leave the link up there for your information. So that's all for today. I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please do give it a like and a subscription would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.